Welcome to part 77 of Learn Languages. Today we're learning about compliments, how to give them, and how to receive them. Both are important social skills in English. Let's start with giving compliments. Appearance. You look really great today. That color suits you perfectly. I love your haircut. It looks amazing. Work or skills. You did a fantastic job on that presentation. Your English has improved so much. You're incredibly organized. I wish I were more like that. Possessions? Nice car? Is it new? What a beautiful home you have. Personality. You're so calm under pressure. It's impressive. You always know the right thing to say. Now, how do you respond to a compliment? Many people feel uncomfortable. They deflect or disagree. Oh, this old thing, or no, I'm really terrible at that. In English, it's more natural to accept graciously. Thank you so much. That's really kind of you. Oh, thank you, I appreciate that. That's really nice of you to say. You can also return the compliment. Thank you, and I love your jacket, by the way. Or you can add context. Thanks, I've been practicing for weeks. Thank you, I got it at a little shop downtown. Giving and receiving compliments builds connection. Make it a habit in your daily English conversations. Subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.